is a big issue, but more importantly, where is this all going? Where is this smoke headed? What direction is the wind blowing? I know that Cheetah Craft has been giving us updates on the weather. Cheetah, is any changes, anything we should be concerned about right now?
No, we're not tracking any change in the wind, but as you see these images of the smoke just kind of filling the sky, I wanted to put some perspective behind this here. So we're thinking right now the smoke could be upwards of about 5,000 to 7,000 feet in the atmosphere. So think of this, okay, when you're looking at some of the downtown skyline buildings here, you would have to stack 5 of the highest building here on top of one another to kind of give you an equivalent of how far the smoke is traveling. Now, typically planes fly at about 34,000 feet, so that's well below, of course, where we're talking about that jet stream or anything like that, but anywhere from about 5,000 to 10,000 feet, that's a good kind of judge right now of how far that smoke is traveling as high in the atmosphere. Because we don't have clouds in place, it's not going to give us a cap or kind of an inversion with some of that smoke. We are tracking calm winds, though. I wish we had slightly higher winds. It would help to mix out some of the smoke at the lower levels of the atmosphere, but because the winds are calm, that's why you see kind of that thick, dense black cloud of smoke so tightly compacted together at low levels of the atmosphere, because we're just not seeing that natural mixing. If we did have higher wind gusts, it would help to kind of mix that out. Now, winds overall 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the northeast. What this means for you: if you are anywhere in more central to southwest Harris County, those are the areas that will probably see some of this smoke first. Again, we're not talking strong enough winds. It's going to give this a big push. It's going to be kind of those, it's going to be kind of wobble back and forth as it tries to move across the area, but I'm not expecting much of a change until our overnight hours. The biggest impact probably that the winds will play, if any, will be by early tomorrow morning. For the rest of the day today, winds are going to be so calm and skies are expected to remain so clear that the National Weather Service already for the afternoon had issued an air quality alert. So there was already an ozone watch today because of the clear skies and calm winds. When you factor in additional smoke in the atmosphere, that's just going to lead to added particles. Now, I haven't seen a change in the moderate levels for our air quality. That's really mainly for sensitive groups. If you have asthma, emphysema, you already wanted to keep it indoors. If you're just a little more sensitive to those added ozone particles, and now we're talking additional smoke. Now, there is that shelter in place, of course, for the schools in Crosby that y'all have been talking about. But other than that, I haven't seen a change. Now, I'll continue to watch it. And if those TCEQ levels change, of course, we will let you know here. But already the air quality was going to be an issue today, guys. So, but that smoke plume probably around 5,000 to 7,000 feet. I'll continue to monitor that here on our radar site as well. But just keep that in mind. I'll send it back to you.
All right. Sort of a mixed bag of good, bad.